So globe, latitude and longitude, this is the topic that we are going to cover today, and here we are going to see some interesting facts also. Let us start the topic, that is the movement of the earth. We will first see the movement of the earth, and here we will go through the two main movements of the earth, that is rotation, daily motion, and revolution, yearly motion. So the earth rotates on its axis from west to east. See here, this is the axis, this is the equator, earth axis and equator. So here it rotates from west to east. It completes one full rotation in 24 hours. So it takes one full rotation to complete 24 hours, and this causes day and night. So due to this rotation we see day and night. The side facing the sun experiences day while the opposite side experiences the night. See here. Here the sun rays the facing this side, it is day here, and the opposite side is night here. Okay. Now let us see the revolution, that is the yearly motion. The earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. So in an elliptical orbit, what happened? The earth revolves around the sun. It takes 365.14 days to complete one revolution. However, there is a long time is there, that is it takes 365 days to complete one revolution. The extra 1/4 day is adjusted every 4 years by adding one extra day to February, that is the leap year. So every 4 years we see leap year, isn't it? February, 29 days are there. So this extra 1/4 day is adjusted every 4 years. Now revolution along with the tilt of the earth axis cause season. So whenever revolution is going along its tilt, then we see the changes in the seasons. Okay, so this is the yearly motion, revolution, and rotation is the daily motion. Now let us see the latitudes and the longitudes. So these are the imaginary lines. See here, the latitude, that is the vertical line, and the longitude, the latitude, that is the horizontal line, and the longitude, that is the vertical line. So let us see the latitudes and longitude. So latitudes, imaginary horizontal lines drawn parallel to the equator. See, this is horizontal line parallel to the equator. The equator 0° latitude divide the earth into northern and the southern hemisphere. So see here, this is the equator, here it divides the northern and the southern hemisphere. Okay, so upside is the north and the downside is the south. The important latitudes are the equator. See here, this is the equator. Then we will see Tropic of Cancer, that is 23½ north. Then Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23½ south. Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, so these are the important latitudes, imaginary lines, horizontal lines. Okay, they are running drawn parallel to the equator. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone, that is the very hottest zone. So this is the region between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This area is known as the torrid zone, which is very much hot. Then between 23½ and 66½ latitude lies the temperate zone, where we will see the moderate climate. See here, this is the moderate climate here in the north, that is a moderate climate, and here this area also have the moderate climate. Beyond 66½ north are the frigid zone. Okay, so this one beyond 66° north and here 66° south, that is the frigid zone. So these are the temperature zone of the earth. Okay, so this is the frigid zone, temperate zone, and this is the torrid zone. So this is the latitude. Now what is longitude? This is the longitude, the vertical line. So imaginary vertical line running from North Pole to South Pole is called longitude. The prime meridian, that is the 0° longitude, passes through Greenwich, England, and divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere. So this is the prime meridian. See here the meridians of longitude, this is the prime meridian. So it divides the earth in the east and the west hemisphere. There are 360 longitude, that is the 180° east and 180° west. So 180° longitude are there in the east side and 180° longitude are there in the west side. So total we will see 360 longitudes. Longitude helps in calculating time differences. and by the help of this longitude we can calculate the time difference. Okay, so this is latitude and longitude. Now let us see time and longitude. So what is the role of time and longitude, how they are interconnected? What is it? Let us see. So the earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours, means it moves 15 degree per hour. Each 15 degree longitude represent a hour difference in time. So here each 15 degree longitude represent a hour difference in time. There we will find a difference of 1 hour. Places east of prime meridian are ahead in time and places west are behind in time. So the prime meridian is here. See here, the prime meridian is here. So places in the east and the east direction are ahead in time, whereas the places in the west, the countries in the west are behind in time. Okay, so this is the time and the longitude. Now Greenwich Mean Time, that is GMT, what is it? Let us see. GMT is the time at the 0 degree longitude prime meridian. Other time zones are calculated based on their distance from GMT, that is whatever the other time zones are there, like the standard Indian Standard Time, are calculated based on their distance from GMT. Now let us see what is Indian Standard Time. So India has multiple longitudes, but to avoid confusion, 82.5 degree east longitude near Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard meridian of India. So this is the Indian Standard Meridian of Time, that is. IST is 5 hours, that is Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT, that is the Greenwich Mean Time. So whatever the country they are lying in Greenwich Mean Time, the IST Indian Standard Time is 5 hours ahead, 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Okay. Now, international dateline, what is ideal? So located at 180 degree longitude in the Pacific Ocean. Crossing the ideal from west to east means moving 1 day back, and crossing from east to west means moving 1 day forward. So this is international dateline. So here we have seen the time and longitude, we have seen the Greenwich Mean Time, that is a GMT, then Indian Standard Time IST, that is IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT, and then international dateline, where if we will cross the ideal from west to east means moving 1 day back, and crossing from east to west means moving 1 day forward, right? Now let us see the seasons and the solstice. So here we will see the seasons, that is the summer solstice and the winter solstice. So solstice is one that here we will see the largest and the shortest day of the year. So 21st June the northern hemisphere experienced the longest day, and winter solstice, that is the 22nd December, the southern hemisphere experienced the longest day. And equinox, that is 21st March and 23rd September, here we will see day and night are equal all over the world. It means when the sun is above the earth equator, a time of the year. Okay, so here we will see day and night are equal all over the world. So finally, the earth rotation causes day and night, and the earth revolution and tilt cause seasons. Latitude and longitude help in locating places and determining the time zone. Standard time ensure uniform time for a country, and the international dateline help adjust global time differences. So this is the topic globe and the latitude and longitude, which was a very easy topic. So let us meet with the next video, some important question answers of the topic, that is the globe, latitude and longitude.